Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Polish Pronunciation Guide. Speak clearly from day one. Polish has a reputation. People hear it and immediately think it sounds impossible. Too many consonants. Too many unfamiliar sounds. Too fast. Too complex. But what if that's not actually true? What if Polish only sounds difficult because no one ever showed you how to hear it properly? Because once you understand the patterns, once you slow it down, once you learn how each sound works, Polish becomes something else entirely. Clear, structured, even predictable. And today, we're going to break it down, step by step, slowly, calmly, so you can start speaking clearly from day one. No overwhelm, no confusion, just clarity. Let's begin. Here's the most important thing to understand. In Polish, letters matter. Almost every letter you see is pronounced. There are very few silent letters, very few surprises. So once you learn the sounds, you can trust what you read. That's your foundation. Let's start with vowels, because vowels give life to the word. A, like A in father. E like bed. E in sea. Or but shorter. U in food. But I more relaxed between I and sin again. Zettel. Polish has two special vowels. These are nasal sounds. Air flows slightly through your nose. On, but softer. N, but gentle. Don't force it. Just notice the feeling. Now we move to the sounds that make Polish feel unique. C like ch in chocolate. So like sh, or z like a soft zh sound. She like a softer sh, cho like a soft ch, j like a soft s. Let's hear them again. So old. No rush. Polish words often have clusters, multiple consonants together. At first glance, they look intimidating, but they are just combinations, yes, sounds you already know. For example, sh is just sh. When you slow it down, it becomes manageable. Here's a helpful rule. In Polish, stress is almost always on the second to last syllable. Let's try. Polish. Water. Krakow. That steady pattern makes speech more natural. Now the key idea. Clarity is more important than speed. You don't need to sound fast. You don't need to sound perfect. You need to pronounce each sound clearly, one by one. Polish rewards careful speech. Now we practice. Just listen or softly repeat. Dzień dobry. Good day. Proszę. Please Or here you go. Dziękuję. Tak, you. Tak. Yes. Nie. No. Again. Slowly. Clearly. You are not trying to be perfect. You are training your ear, training your mouth. Every repetition builds familiarity. Every sound becomes easier, and slowly, what once felt difficult starts to feel natural. From your very first day, you can pronounce words correctly because Polish follows rules. And once you understand those rules, you can trust yourself. So remember, Polish is not impossible. It is simply unfamiliar. And now, it's becoming familiar. Take a breath. Let everything settle. And when you're ready, listen again. And speak. Just a little more. You're already improving. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.